Parrots are some of nature's most colorful and fascinating birds. Their beautiful feathers come in an incredible variety of shades, from vibrant green and brilliant blue to bright yellow, deep red, and stunning combinations of many colors. Each bird has its own unique appearance, and that's what makes watching them so special. So calmly enjoy their food while others explore their surroundings, play, fly, or simply sit peacefully and show off their beautiful feathers. Their color plumage becomes even more beautiful when sunlight touches their feathers, revealing shades and patterns that are easy to miss at first glance. From the simplest green parrot to most colorful bird in the group, everyone has its own charm, and together they create a beautiful celebration of color, personality, and life in the wild. Whether they are moving through the trees, enjoying a meal, interacting with one another, or simply looking into cameras, these beautiful birds always seem to bring little more color to nature. Nature has painted these beautiful birds in almost every color imaginable. Nature truly has its own way of turning ordinary moments into something beautiful. Teeny Wings Endless Wonder. Follow Wild Bytes for more amazing wildlife moments.